Remodeling your basement in Sterling Heights can transform an underutilized area into a vibrant, functional living space. Whether you're dreaming of a cozy family room, a home theater, a guest suite, or even a personal gym, a well-executed basement remodel increases your home's value and enhances your everyday living. Here's a customer-focused, step-by-step guide to help you navigate the remodeling process from vision to reality. Step 1. Define your vision and goals. Start by deciding how you want to use your basement. Consider who will use the space and what purpose it will serve. Family entertainment area, home office or gym, in-law suite or rental unit, kids playroom or teen hangout. Clarifying your goals helps guide design choices, materials, and even legal requirements. Write down your must-haves, nice-to-haves, and budget limits so you can stay focused as you move forward. Step 2. Assess the space. Before hiring professionals, inspect the current condition of your basement. Common things to evaluate include moisture and water damage. Sterling Heights basements often need waterproofing, especially during wet seasons. Ceiling height. Make sure your space meets Michigan's building code minimums for finished basements. Structural integrity. Check for cracks, bowing walls, or foundation issues. Existing systems. Take stock of plumbing, HVAC, and electrical layouts that may need upgrades or relocation. If issues arise, it's best to resolve them upfront to avoid costly fixes later in the process. Step 3. Set your budget. A basement remodel in Sterling Heights typically costs between $30 and $75 per square foot, depending on materials, layout complexity, and finishes. Your budget should include design and planning permits and inspection, labor and material, fixtures, flooring, and appliances, emergency or unexpected costs. Add 10 to 15% cushion. Being transparent with your contractor about your budget helps keep expectations realistic. Step 4. Hire the right professional. Choosing experienced local professionals ensures your remodel meets Sterling Heights building codes and climate-specific needs. Consider hiring a licensed contractor or remodeling company, an architect or interior designer for complex layouts, a plumber and electrician, and a basement waterproofing specialist. Ask for references, review portfolios, and verify insurance and licensing before signing contracts. Step 5. Obtain permits and plan the layout in Sterling Heights. Finishing a basement requires permits, especially for structural changes, electrical wiring, or plumbing upgrades. Your contractor should manage this process for you. At this stage, finalize your floor plan. Think about walls and room division, bathroom or kitchenette addition, storage solution, lighting and egress windows for safety and natural light. Proper planning ensures efficient use of space and a comfortable layout. Step 6. Begin the remodel. Once permits are in place, demolition and construction can begin. The remodel typically follows these phases. Framing and rough-ins. Set up walls and install wiring, plumbing, and HVAC. Insulation and drywall. Insulate walls for warmth and sound, then finish with drywall. Flooring and ceilings. Install moisture-resistant flooring and drop or drywall ceilings. Painting and trim. Add color, molding, and doors. Fixtures and final touches. Set up lighting, cabinetry, and other features. Stay in touch with your contractor through each step to track progress and resolve issues quickly. Step 7. Final inspections and move-in. After construction wraps up, a final inspection ensures your remodel meets Sterling Heights building codes. Once you pass inspection, it's time to move in furniture, decor, and personal touches. Celebrate your newly transformed space. Whether it's cozy movie nights, weekend workouts, or overnight guests, your remodeled basement will be a valuable part of your home for years to come. Ready to remodel your basement in Sterling Heights? With careful planning and the right team, you can create a stunning, functional lower level that enhances your lifestyle and adds value to your home.